Hi YouTube, I'm Aiman. Welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. So I'm going to do a quick video on how to remove the side view mirror of a 2003-2007 Honda Accord. Now it should be self-explanatory for most people, but if you've never done it before, I'm going to show you. So it's actually pretty easy. All you have to do is on the inside. Alright, so like I said, taking it out is self-explanatory. All you have to do is take off this panel right here, and that's a simple pry it out. There are two notches you have to take note of, one here, one here. The first notch goes in this rectangular hole, and the other one goes in this, bigger rectangle hole. You can set that aside for now. Next step is to take out this cable right here. In order to take it out, you have to press this button right here, and then just pull it out. I'm assuming that the reason it has an electrical cable is so that you can swivel the mirror. And then after that, there are 4 bolts. This top one to the left right here is a number 10. So just to make sure, I'll test that with a number 10 socket. That's a number 10. And these 3 right here are all number 8s, since I know they're all number 8 since they look similar and they fit with a number 8 socket. Now the top 2 are easy to take out, since you can just reach them. So this one, for me, it was it didn't require like a power tool. Maybe it might require a power tool for you because it might be torqued in too far. There we go. One nut. Alright, so this one, we're gonna leave that for last, but these other 2, it looks like you can take them out manually. We don't need a wrench, but if you are taking out this way, you might want to be careful because you might drop the nut. So in that case, you're going to want to make sure you hold on to it. Yeah, so that's what I meant by you want to make sure that you hold on to it. Now, if that happens, you could probably just get a telescope, but it looks like it went down very far. So I'm just going to do the last one. We're just going to continue right on since we're taking apart this car. Alright, this one I gotta make sure I hold on to. Okay, so that's the other nut. Now for the last bolt right here, nut, you're gonna want to hold on to the mirror from the outside and screw it out from the inside. So that means, you always want to do this when you're taking something out. You always want to make sure that you hold on to it so it doesn't fall when you take out the last nut. My dad tells me that even if we take out the nut, it should stay in place because there is something keeping it in place, but just in case. Alright, so we're going to position it on. I already made sure that's facing the right position. Wait, where did it go? Alright, so we lost it, but hopefully that's alright. As you can see, all four nuts are out, but the mirror hasn't fell. That's because it's not just the mirror that comes out, but the panel. Wait. Alright, so we learned 2 things. First off, if you want to take this out, it's actually very ingenious, so you don't actually have to hold on to the mirror when you're trying to take it out, because the white part that the cable connects to, you have to push down on it and then push out in order to take it out. Now, the reason why is because the white tabs rest on a lip that prevents it from going out. That's what the mirror looks like. I can't show you what it looks like in the reflection, but that's what it looks like. Now, I also discovered that you don't have to take out the number 10 bolt for the mirror. It goes to something else. I'm not sure what it does. And I think we lost 2 nuts. It doesn't matter though. In the future, you're going to want to take some kind of paper or tissue. You're going to want to crumple it up and put it under to prevent, and make sure that it rests under, just to make sure that if the nuts fall, then you can catch them. Now we lost 2 nuts, and if you have a problem like that where the 2 nuts fall down this hole, which is really unlucky, then we're gonna do something right after this, which is take off the panel. Now I'm gonna do a separate video on that, so go check that out, and I'll see you there. But in the meantime, I'm Aiman, and I just showed you how to take off the side view mirror from a 2003-2007 Honda Accord. Alright, so installation is just the same as removal, but in reverse, like always. So what you want to do is you want to put the mirror back on. When you put it on, the clips are just going to naturally go inwards. So let me show you that. And when you put it on, make sure that the 3 bolts go into their respective holes. They're spaced so that if you can't put them in the wrong orientation. So they don't make it at all difficult. Alright, after that, you're going to want to, I guess in our case we lost like 2 bolts, but next you want to put well actually, it doesn't matter what step you do to connect it on. We're actually going to do the bolts first, the nuts. Give me a second, I'm going to, don't know where I put, okay, so I have 1. It looks like we lost 2 bolts, and then I lost another one because I put it somewhere. I don't remember. Alright, so like I said, we lost 2 nuts. That's not a problem. So we're just going to put them on. I don't think you need to use a wrench for this because when I tried pulling them out, it was easy just to do with my hands. So it doesn't require that much strength. So just put them in with your hands. No biggie. Alright, so for these ones, it's going to be a bit harder because if I mess this up, then this one's going to fall as well. Alright. There we go. Then you want to put on your 3rd bolt, your 3rd nut. And if you took off the nut for the 10, then just put it back. If you lost it, like I said, we're doing a video on how to remove the side panel if you need to recover it. So go check that out. And just plug this back in. Like that. After that, you're going to want to take your panel. And like I said, you want to make note of these 2 notches. Just angle it in there. Be extremely careful. And then when you get it in this position, just push in. If you push in the right places, you should be able to hear it click just like that, and it should be locked in place. I think that's good. Alright, so I'm Aiman, and I just showed you how to remove the side view mirror from a 2003-2007 Honda Accord. It's actually a pretty simple installation. The only problem is if you lose the nuts. By the way, just a reminder, don't take out the 10 bolt. It's not needed to take out the mirror. And that's it. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, look at videos on Aiman, especially the auto repair videos. Like I said, I'm dismantling this car. So if you're interested in those kinds of videos, go check them out, and I'll see you there. Signing out. Peace.